Are you dealing with audio problems on your Nintendo Switch Lite, like no sound, very low volume, or distorted audio? In this guide, I'll show you the easiest fixes to get your Nintendo Switch Lite sound working properly again. Let's jump right into it. Solution 1. Check volume and mute settings. First, press the volume up button on the top of your console. It's the small plus button next to the power button. Make sure it's not accidentally turned all the way down. People accidentally mute their device, so it's best to manually increase the volume to rule out mistakes. Solution 2. Disable lower max headphone volume setting. Go to your home screen. Open System Settings. Now, scroll down to System. Find the setting called Lower Max Headphone Volume. If it's on, toggle it off. This feature limits the maximum volume, especially with headphones. Turning it off allows full volume again. Solution 3. Check if headphones are plugged in or detected. If there's no sound from the speakers, make sure there's nothing plugged into the headphone jack. Sometimes, the Switch thinks headphones are connected even when they're not. Try plugging in headphones and unplugging them again. If you're on wireless earbuds or a speaker, go to System Setting. Find Bluetooth Audio. Now, select your device and disconnect from it. After that, turn off your headphones, power them back on, and put them in pairing mode. Then simply reconnect the headphones to your Switch again. Now, check if the audio plays smoothly. And that's how you fix audio problems on your Nintendo Switch Lite. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which fix worked for you.